Afternoon. Welcome back to the shed. I want to show you this website that I found. I'm looking for a part for my GSX S1000 2022, the one that I've just bought. So basically, it's got a race lowering kit on it. So it's been lowered by about 30 mil. And my feet, when I'm sat on it, are they're really, really flat on the floor. In fact, just a bit too much. So I want the OEM stock linkage installed, which is on this website. This item here, number one, they call it a lever rear cushion, £39.85, and that's for one, right? It's ridiculous how much they are. I mean, that's a piece of steel. Oh, it might be aluminium, to be fair. No, it'd be steel. Anyway, that's the price, right? $39.85. This is official Suzuki website as well. I thought that was quite expensive, so I found on another website called Fowlers, who are Suzuki stockists, official Suzuki part stockists. The same component on here is even more. It's £40.93. So let's have a look in the basket. That's £81.86 for two. And I don't know what delivery would be on that, or whether delivery's free, but still, £81.86. And then on this site, you're looking at £79.70. So I'm excluding shipping. And bear in mind what they are. So if I go back, just to show you again, it's that triangle piece. Well, you know what it is. But all of the stuff on here, I can't believe the prices. So I scoured the internet and I found this site, WeBike, and they're a Japanese website. They've got a couple of different sites, and same part, Suzuki OEM motorcycle part, exactly the same part number. There you go, $6. So shipped to UK. What's that? Save 30%, $12.86. So hold on, I want two of them. Add to cart. What are we looking at here? Where's the cart? So price. Oh, hang on, that's three. $6, $12. So with shipping, so destination United Kingdom using EMS, about 3 days delivery. Total $24.92 US dollars. So $24.92, £19.48. Massive difference from $81.86. That's not even with delivery. I don't know what delivery is because I think you have to log in. Guest checkout. Free delivery on a shipment when over £70. Well, I should think so, to be honest. So, okay. Still, £81 as opposed to $24, £19.48. Suzuki, you should be ashamed, because I thought initially when I read this, I thought, yeah, but hold on, we've got import taxes and stuff, and it turns out no, that's not the case. So I've looked at this EMS, and EMS is Express Mail Service, which in the UK is Parcel Force Worldwide. But we'll see. We'll see when it comes. It estimates, well, it's not going to be 3 days, is it? About 3 days. I presume that'll be 3 days from the point of... Well, I don't know, because I've had an email already, actually. What does my email say? Let's have a look. WeBike Japan. So thank you for shopping at WeBike Japan. Your order will be shipped from the 6th of June, so tomorrow. It's the 5th of June today. We'll let you know after the shipment is completed. Okay? Well, I'd rather wait. I'm happy to wait a week. I'm happy to wait 2 weeks if the difference in price is what's that, £19.48 or 81.86. 81.86. Let's get it bang on. 81. Come on. 81.86 minus £19.48. £62.38. So for £62.38, I'm happy to wait, to be honest. But there we are. I thought I'd tell you about that website, WeBike Japan, and especially for Japanese bikes. This site has got everything. So I haven't even had a look, actually, to be fair, at all this other stuff. They've got the Yoshimura exhausts, which, to be honest, I wanna put a Yoshimura on the bike. So what's this? OEM parts: Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, and Harley Davidson. Well, to be fair, those are the main ones, but it says see all manufacturers as well. So I haven't had a proper look, but I tell you what, that's a massive saving. So there you go, Suzuki UK. Thanks, but no thanks.